welcome you all for this video lecture. So today we are going to generate the course plan dates automatically. After filling up the required details in your name of the faculty and programs, course code and course name and academic year. So you might be having the intended learning outcomes, and you might be already have this for up to 45 periods or 60 periods, depends upon the theory course. Okay, so now we are going to generate the dates and periods automatically by using a simple Excel sheet. Okay, so go here. So don't alter any settings here. Okay, simply enter the start date. For example, your classes commences from March 1. Okay, the format you have to enter is 1 MAR March 2024, 1 March 24 to, for example, 30 June 2024. Okay, so this is your start date and end date. And by seeing your academic calendar, you might be already found out what are all the holidays which is already mentioned in your academic calendar. For example, we can say 10th February 24 and 3 March 24 and 14 April 24, 1 May 24. So likewise, in this format you have to enter all the holidays which are all available in your academic calendar. After that, don't change any setting here. Come to the day wise period hours. Suppose I am going Monday first 1, 2 and 3. 3 hour I am continuously going for a single class. Tuesday I am going for 5th and 6th hour. Wednesday I am going for 8th hour. Thursday I am going for 2nd hour. Friday I am going for 7th hour, and Saturday I am going for 3, 4th hour. Just enter these details and simply click the delete dates once, and now generate the dates. Automatically the system will generate the dates from March 1 to 30 June 2024. You can now simply go here and copy all the dates. Okay, you can copy all these dates, Ctrl C, and come here. You just click it and paste it. By selecting this option, automatically it will be pasted here, right? So this is very simplest method to generate the lecture or course plan hours, because every time watching the academic calendar and selecting the date on the holidays are very tedious jobs. So this will definitely reduce your time consumption of producing the lecture plans. Okay, suppose you are not going any hours on some particular days. Let us say example of, so I am not going any hour in that particular class, so you can just enter 0. Okay, on Tuesday and Friday I am not going any classes on that particular class. Now come to here, delete the dates and generate the date. System will capture the zeros also. For that I have added a filter here. Just click this button and select the 0 button and give OK. Now system will show only the required dates which you are going for the classes. Now copy this and again come to this, so you can paste these. See, first let us delete this column. Okay, now paste it. So it will ask you the options. Choose this option. Okay, so automatically the planned and period hour will be displayed here. Okay, so I am giving the link in link to download this Excel sheet in my description. So please share it to your friends. If you find any errors on this Excel sheet, you please put the comments so that I will try to alter the worksheets. Okay. Thank you. Please subscribe. Thank you very much.